In this video, we're using the one variable statistics function in the TI-84 to find the mean and standard deviation of a sample of heart rate measurements, and those are measured in beats per minute or BPM. Now the standard deviation is the tricky one, so make sure you catch the common pitfall when we get to that. So to enter the data, we press Stat and then Edit, and I've already put the data into list 1 just to speed things up. Notice that if we arrow down, the list is actually counting the list item at the bottom of the calculator screen. And I can verify real quick that the last data value is item number 18. So that's a quick way of making sure I got all the data. So now we hit Stat again, and then we arrow over to Calc, and we select one variable statistics. That's the first item in the menu. Notice that L1 is in there by default. And if you used a different list, you're going to have to select that list manually. So we go ahead and calculate. And the mean is in the list as X bar. That's the first item in the menu, and that's 69.611 and so on. And we usually round statistics to one place value beyond the raw data. So we're going to call that 69.6 beats per minute. Now for the standard deviation, it's important to understand whether you're analyzing a sample or a population. In our example, this is a sample from a larger population. So we're going to use the first number here, that's the S with a subscript of X, that's 6.3536 and so on. If we were dealing with population data, we would use the sigma X that's right below that. So we take our SX and we round it to the tenths place again. And that gives us a sample standard deviation of 6.4 beats per minute. This video is part of a TI-84 playlist for elementary statistics, and I'll post a link to that playlist at the lower left. In the next video, we're going to use the mean and standard deviation of this sample to construct a confidence interval. I'll post a link to that video at the upper left, and I'll see you there.